Hello, welcome back, welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I have a new project for you. Now that we are starting this new season, I wanted to make something easy, beautiful and quick. I'm going to show you how you can make this neck, but look, you can wear it also as a beanie too. Well, more like an earmuff, right? I don't like to use the complete beanies because my hair doesn't look very good after I take it off. So that's why I like to use this kind of beanies that are not completely closed so I can wear a nice ponytail or make a nice bun, and when you take it off, well, you don't look that messy, right? I don't know. But well, hope that you like it. As you could see here in the back, you can have your hair free and you can wear it in so many different styles, and also you can make it for your kids too and for yourself or to sell. But well, you can make in many different colors, with the flower or without the flower, with a pom-pom, with two pom-poms, with a brooch. You will decide, okay? So first I will give you the material list and then the step by step. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe. Well, for this project we will use 100 grams of this bulky yarn. It's number 5, 5. As you could see, it has a little sparkles on it. I love it. I will use this in pink color, and I will use a crochet hook of number 5 millimeters, okay? With one thread and with our hook, we will start making 10 chains, okay? We are going to make them a little bit loose. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We are going to make 10 chains for an adult. For a baby, we are going to make 6 chains. And for a kid, we are going to make 8 chains. So we are going to make 8 chains for an adult, 8 for a kid, and 6 for a baby between 0 to 12 months. Chain one more, and then we will start right away with the first row. We will make a single crochet in each stitch. And at the end we must have 10 single crochets, right? Please take into account that if you take all the stitches like this, please take them, all of them, like this, okay? In this case, I suggest that you take the stitch taking the below parts of the stitch. You see how I insert between these two pieces? So like this, I'm going to continue the whole row. Please count at the end that you have 10 single crochets, okay? Then turn around, chain 1 to go up, and now we are going to make a rib stitch. This means that we will take only the back part of the chain like this, making single crochet, but inserting the hook only in the back thread of the chain, you see? So like this again, we are going to make 10 single crochet. As you could see here in the front, we create a little pleat. So this means that we are making rib stitch. That is single crochet, but taking the back part of the chain only. At the end, we will have an elastic. Well, I want to finish this row with you. So here, the last stitch, we will take both parts of the chain, like this, to close the row. I'm sorry. Yes, like this, and single crochet. Okay, then turn around, go up with one chain, and again we will repeat the rib stitch. Please at the end count that you have 10 single crochets, okay? Well, like this we are going to continue for more rows until we have a long strip that goes all around our head, okay? Approximately for an adult we are going to make 55 centimeters. For a kid, approximately 44 centimeters, and for a baby 34 centimeters, okay? So according to the size you are making this neck for, well, you are going to make as many rows as you need. I'm making this for an adult, remember. Well, look, here I have 55 centimeters, you see? I already try on and it perfectly cover all around my head. Well, once you are sure and you have the rows that you need, well, now we are going to close. We are going to take only the back part of the chain and we will take the other part of the chain from the other side and we are going to make a single crochet. Again, one thread from one side and one thread from the other side. And like this, we are going to continue the whole row and we kind of simulate the same stitch that we are making. You will see at the end that it will perfectly blend with the elastic stitch that we made. Well, so here we are finishing and now we close. You see how it blends with the stitch? I love it. Well, once you close, now we are going to make a single crochet row all around, and while we make this we are going to hide this thread, okay? So we are going to continue. I like how it looks, right? Well, we are going to make a single crochet all around. If you want, here in this step you can skip some spaces, but I want to. Well, I want to be more specific. Here in each pleat and between the pleats, here I'm going to make a single crochet. Okay, so I won't reduce, I told you, but if you want to, well, you can reduce according to the size. But before you decide, please try on. Please also don't tie too much. Try to make this a little bit loose, but not too loose, okay? So be careful. Well, at the end of the row, we are going to slip one to close. Then go up with one chain, turn around, and again we are going to make the rib stitch. Remember, like single crochet, but only taking the back part of the chain. Like this, the whole row. Please be careful where you insert the hook, and if you take all the stitches like this, well, you will take all the stitches creating this pleat. We'll see you at the end of this row. So look here at the end of the row, we are going to slip one to close like this and then go up with one chain. But guess what? Here I made one extra, so here it belongs where we started. Okay, so be careful. Now slip one, go up with one chain, turn around, and again we will continue with the same stitch. We will repeat as many rows as you need until you get the height of the neck that you need, okay? So see you there. Well, here I have the rows that I need. I made 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9 rows. I'm going to slip one to close. Well, remember that for a baby we are going to make less 4 rows and for a kid 2 rows less, okay? But before you cut, please try on if you can, because remember that we are different, okay? At the end you will hide all these loosened ends with your hook or with your embroidery needle. Well, now I will show you how I decorate this neck. We will start making 5 chains. We are going to close in circle to make a ring, and inside this ring we are going to make the petals. We will go up with 2 chains, then we are going to make 2 double crochet inside. As you could see, the double crochet of 2 crochet like this, then 2 chains, and we are going to slip one inside the ring. So this is the first petal. And like these petals, we are going to make 5 petals inside, okay, counting this one. So we have to make 4 petals more. So we will repeat after the 2 chains that we made, 2 double crochet inside, then 2 chains, and we are going to slip one. So here we have 2 petals. So look, here I have the flower with 5 petals. If you want, you can decorate this flower and put a bottom inside or a bird. You will decide, or a brush. If you want to make this flower bigger, we are going to make 5 chains, and between petals, right here in this space, I'm going to slip one. Again, 5 petals, and here, like in relief, we are going to place the hook in front of this space, you see, and slip one. And like this, we will repeat 5 chains behind each petal. So I finished to make 5 chains behind each petal. Here I am, I'm going to go up with 2 chains, and now inside these 5 chains, I'm going to make the petals. I'm going to make 3 double crochet inside, 3, okay, then 2 chains, and I'm going to slip one at the end of these first 5 chains, you see? And like this, I'm going to repeat behind each petal. Well, remember, in the first petals inside, we made 2 double crochet. Here in the petals that we are making now, we are going to make inside the ring 3 double crochet. Wow, sorry, let me take this hair. So sorry. But well, like this, we are going to continue until we finish the 5 extra petals that we are making. Remember, we are making this to have a bigger flower and with more volume. Well, here I finished the 5 extra petals, and we have a flower like this one. So pretty, right? Well, I'm going to cut a long thread because I'm going to use this thread to sew it with the neck. So I will show you. Well, you will decide where you want to place this flower, or if you want to make more flowers. I will place it here when I have this joint to hide it, and I will pleat a little bit to put the flower and to have a different effect and to give a final, a different touch to this neck. That can be used as an earmuff, so you will decide. Okay, so you have one project in 2. So I will pass through the needle through this pleat, through this joint to create the pleats, and I will pull a little bit, and then I will continue to sew. I will make sure that the pleats won't undo, you see. I'm going to pull more, so I will just basically sew. I will make sure, you see, I kind of make a knot, and then well, the rest I think that you know. Like this, I will sew, and well, as I told you, you can put more flowers, you can make the flower in a different color, you can put a pompon, you can put only a bottom or a brush, and I will try to sew each petal like this. And now, well, we finished. At the end, you will hide all the threads that we may have there, and that's it. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed making this ear muff or neck with me. I love it. I love to make this kind of projects that are easy and fast, and that with one class you can have your garment ready. But well, if you like it, please give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow me in all my social media, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And don't forget to follow my YouTube stories, okay? Thank you so much for watching and for arriving to the end of the video. Thank you, and see you in the coming videos. And if you have an idea, you can leave me a comment with your idea. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye.